Hello, lovely people of the internet, and welcome to a short walkthrough of another template that I hadn't shown to you yet on YouTube. It's a spreadsheet that you can use to track dance, fitness, or sports classes. You can find it in the Medium blog. The instructions are simple. Make sure you're logged in. Click the link inside the blog. When you click the link, you will arrive at this screen. You click the Make a Copy button to make a copy of the template, and you'll arrive at this. There are two tabs, the Tracker tab and the Dashboard tab. Inside the Tracker tab, this is where you'll do the actual tracking, and the dashboard is already set up for you, meaning you don't have to touch anything. But the more you track, the more data this will show, which you then can use to your advantage. Firstly, all this, of course, is just dummy data for you to have an idea of how you can fill out this template and to have data for these graphs, to show. So when you start, you want to select everything in row B, delete it. You don't need to touch row C because there is a formula in there and it's formatted as a day so that you don't have to do this yourself. So you only select column B, delete everything, and everything in column D to J. But I can leave it here for now, just because it looks cute. Anyway, let's just start with a new row. You want to add the date on which you took a class. There's a Mac shortcut for that, which is Command semicolon. That's today, the day of recording. The style, you choose the dance style you took, and if you want to customize these to your own liking or to whichever class you're taking, just get rid of all these by clicking the little bin icon or add another item. Feel free to do whatever you want. Change the colors, go wild, click done. And I can show you actually. Wait. When you add another item, my mind is blank. Whatever, no idea. When you add another item, you click done, you will be asked to apply to all because there are 399 other drop-downs in this column with the same properties. You want to apply to all so that each time when you click on the drop-down, the open class will already be there. It's the same with the columns for instructor and level. I just put some dummy data in there because obviously I'm not, unfortunately, attending any of these choreographers' classes. The level, this is just for you. You're free to modify these 1, 2, 3, 4 columns as you wish. They're not linked to any graph in the dashboard, but I found that it helps me to pick one thing per dance class to focus on. If, of course, I want to do everything right and slay and execute it perfectly, but if I focus on everything at the same time, meaning cleanliness and the feeling and flow and facial expressions and arm extensions, I will go insane. So I choose one thing. Then I write down how it went, anything that I wanted to improve. And if you have a video, even better, you can link to it here if you want and make a list of anything you found or you saw that stood out to you, which you want to do better next time. Now, the fun stuff. Let's get rid of that. With all the dummy data here, I have some graphs to show you. The dance styles mastered with a cute pie chart, the same, with the levels. The number of classes per month. So if there are outliers, you'll be able to see this at one glance. The total number of classes taken from the first date that you started tracking in this spreadsheet, and your favorite days on which you take the most classes. And this will just change and update automatically as you track more in this spreadsheet. That's it. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk, and I hope this template is of use to you. Bye.